Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how to set up rewards for your participants. First of all, we have to log into admin.changers.com with our credentials. Now we have to select the rewards. First of all, we're going to have a look at the vouchers. Vouchers are a kind of reward that your participants can get for the bonus points that they've collected through the Changers app. If you click at vouchers, you can already see a list of predefined vouchers that we offer. On the right, you can see this little eye icon, and if you click on it, you get additional information about the product that is also shown to your participants. In the middle, you can adjust the costs per voucher for your participant. For example, I can change the value from 250 to 120, and then the participants will only have to pay 120 points per voucher. On the left, you can enable or disable whether the voucher is going to be available for your participants. If you don't want that voucher to be shown in your list at all, you can just click on the little box icon in the right corner and it will be moved to Archives. If you want it back in your list, you can just click on Archives in the left top corner and select the little return button and it will return to your normal voucher list. If you want to offer your participants additional vouchers, you can scroll down to the very bottom and click on Create Your Own Voucher. I'm going to do that now as an example for you. First of all, you have to give your voucher a title. Since I'm still logged in with my example business VSnack, of course I'm going to offer some vegan snacks. Second, you have to set the price of your voucher. The snacks are going to be 60 coins each. And if your product also has a positive CO2 balance, then you can add the CO2 savings produced by your product in there. The fourth question is how often your participants should be able to purchase this voucher. For example, I'm gonna offer my veggie snacks daily, and there will be 15 vouchers available for all of my participants every day. In the fifth step, you have to add information about your voucher that will be available for users if they look at all the vouchers available for them. It makes sense to add more than 2 sentences about your product, but in my example, I will keep it short. The sixth step is for adding information about how to use this voucher. For example, my veggie snacks are available online, so you have to visit my website and then insert a voucher code in order to get those products. But if, for example, you have to go to a store in order to get the products, you can as well add the address of the store and then a description how to get there and how to get the product. The seventh step is about setting the terms of your voucher, so if there are any legal agreements, you can insert them here. Again, if you want additional information about any of those steps, you can always toggle the little arrow sign and get additional information about what to write in where. After that, you can insert the name of the store that your reward comes from and a link to the website from the store. Since my store is run online, of course I have a website that I can insert here. The ninth step is very important because this is where you have to insert the voucher codes that are going to be distributed to your participants. Please make sure that the voucher codes are all valid. I'm gonna show you an example of how to insert the voucher codes in this field. It's important that the voucher codes are separated by a line break. Not a comma or a point or anything else, but a straight line break. Once you inserted all the voucher codes, you can select whether you want your vouchers to be displayed as a QR code or just as the voucher code itself. Lastly, you can select a date of expiration for your voucher. In my example, I'm gonna select September 30th. That's where all of my vouchers expire, unfortunately. Additionally, you can add a picture for your voucher which makes it more interesting and more attractive for your participants. Click Save and you're done. You already created your very first voucher. Go back to your rewards dashboard and enable it for your participants by clicking on the checkbox. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to set up a lottery for your participants. I see you soon.